welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, it would mean a lot to me. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So today is a shopping haul. I've been out and about, but I've only really picked up like a few things from each shop, so I thought I would combine them all together and make one video. So the first store that I'm going to start with is Wilkinson's. So back in my next haul from the clearance store, I picked up these little pots, which are the strawberry pots, and I promised that I was going to get some succulents to put in them. I couldn't find any succulents, but what I did find is 2 cacti. Now these little cacti are £1.50 from Wilkinson. I'm really happy with the overall effect of them inside these little pots, and they just look so cute on my windowsill in the kitchen. For £2 I also picked up this foliage. This pot had a orchid in it, like a mini orchid, and it just decided to die on me, so I got this foliage for £2 just to pop into this pot. And the last 2 items that I picked up from Wilkinson's are for the dog. I got 2 small dog collars. These are £2 each. I've got this one in this green leaf design. I just thought this would be nice to put away for summer for him. And then I've got this grey one with white spots for him. I know he's a dog, but I just like to accessorise with his collars. I also went to the card factory. I needed some cards, but while I was there I got ahead of the game and got some 2022 diaries. I've already started using the academic one that I bought, just because I've got stuff that I've planned for like next year, and I'm just writing them in a notebook at the moment, but I actually want the dates written down so I don't forget. Dan asked for a calendar to be put onto his desk so he can see it every day. I think this is just for his YouTubing. So I got this one for £1, and that's what it's got on the back. It's just a bit of fun, it's just a funny calendar, so I thought that would do for him. And then I got one for the home for the both of us. This one is to do with positive thoughts and positive vibes, and then you get those designs on the back. So I just thought this was quite nice, because usually if I have something planned, Dan always wants to know what I'm doing, and it's just easier for me to keep track of what we're both doing with this. I also took a little trip into my local Primark. I picked up this little purse for £3. I just like these really small purses because they're so handy to carry around with you, and you can fit everything you need in there. I also picked up a black headband. This was £2. It's quite a good size, and I like the feel of the fabric that's on it as well, so I got that. I got a new eye mask in Harry Potter themed because I love Harry Potter. It might be a bit big on the back, but I thought because it's Velcro and the material that it's made out of at the back, if it is a bit too slack then I can just tie it instead. So I got a new sleep mask. I always sleep with one of these. I don't know what it is, I just like total darkness. I also picked up a new belt. This one is where it's got a little bit of a buckle and the rest of it is elasticated. This was £2 and I got it in a size small. I originally had this belt in a medium, but it was just too big. Like, my waist, as I've said in previous videos, is the smallest part of me, and that's where I'd like it to pull me in, and it just kept dropping too far down, so I picked it up again in a smaller size. I took a trip into B&M, and this time I was so good I hardly picked anything up. I got some LED string lights. These are solar powered, originally £10 but they've been reduced to £6, so I got 2 packs of these for the garden. I also saw one of these signs, so for £2 I picked this up. It just says, "Make yourself be at home." I just thought that was perfect to go into our guest room. So I saw this, and this was the last one that was left, otherwise I would have had a look around for more. It is a glass acorn shaped candle, so in there is your candle. It does smell really nice as well. And this was £2.50. I just think it's amazing for autumn, and obviously with the colour and the green and the scheme in the master bedroom, it'll be going in there. But I cannot wait to find some more of these because I think I'm going to start collecting them. So I'm really happy with that find, and any more trips into B&M I will be on the lookout for some more of these. And the last thing that I got from B&M is this Options Belgian chocolate. I absolutely love Options hot chocolate. I've tried others, I've tried the Galaxy, I've tried the Cadbury one, and they just don't hit the spot. This one is so good. It's not the light variety, but it's only 40 calories in a cup, so I thought, you know what, that's really good for some hot chocolate. and I got this big, nearly 400-gram tub of it. This was only £3 in B&M, whereas you can pay nearly £4 from Tesco for a smaller one, so I'm really, really happy with this. I cannot wait to enjoy a nice hot chocolate. So the last shop that I went to was The Range. I got some storage boxes, 2 of these, they were on offer, 2 for £8.95, and Dan also got some as well for his stuff, because we need to sort out the attic, so that's what those are for. I did originally go into The Range for this dual frosted LED leaf tree, and this one is the, where does it say? And this one is only the 39 centimetres high one. I just wanted this to decorate it with some really nice autumnal little figurines that I bought from off Amazon. I think it does the trick. I think it looks really, really nice. So I will insert a clip of this now. So to decorate the tree, I picked up this box of Autumnal Decorations. This was £2.99. It's just got like some orange berries, some red berries, acorns, pine cones, some cinnamon sticks and some oranges. So I've used some of these to decorate the house with. I also found these little gnomes in the Christmas section. I don't want to use these for Christmas, I want to use them for autumn. These were only 59p each, so I got 2 of each, and I want to put some nice autumnal bits on them, like maybe round here near his beard, and just make them nice and autumnal, and then I can use them to hang around the house. I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to get the job done with these to have them on display for this year, but I'm definitely going to have them out for next year. So at first when I saw loads of Halloween stuff coming into stores, I was really kind of annoyed by it, because I'm trying to find autumnal things, and it seems as though all of the businesses have decided to scrap autumn and go straight into Halloween and Christmas. So that's literally all I can find. I can't really find anything autumny at the moment, which is what I want, but I did get carried away in the Halloween section, and so I'll show you what I picked up. So for £1.99 I picked up 2 of these hanging skeletons. I'm going to put them on the tree outside, so I like that it's plastic and is not going to get ruined by the weather. And then for £2.99 each I picked up these pumpkin head skeletons. They are also to hang outside. One is a man, one is a woman. I just thought those were really, really cool. They did have these in clowns, but I wasn't allowed to pick them up because Dan is afraid of clowns, which clowns don't bother me. I don't mind clowns, and I thought they looked really, really nice, but I had to make a compromise, so I went with the pumpkin heads. And the last item for this haul is these skeleton lights. These were £3.99, so these are also to go outside on the tree. So I think that is enough decoration on the Halloween side this year. I will grow my collection more next year, but in future videos you'll probably end up seeing me collecting like some Halloween sweets, but as decorations go, that is me done now. So I hope you have enjoyed this mashup of all of the stuff that I bought from a number of different stores. If you've watched this till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye!